Welcome back. In the previous section, we successfully serialized, or pickled, a complex Python object into a binary file. Today, we complete the cycle by learning how to retrieve that object and restore it perfectly in memory using unpickling. 1. The pickle.load parenthesis function. To unpickle an object, we must first open the file in binary read mode, specified by RB. We then call pickle.load parenthesis, passing the file object. This function reads the entire binary data stream, converts it back into the original Python data type, whether it was a dictionary, a list, or a custom class instance, and returns it. Notice that the type of the loaded object is exactly the same as the original object we saved. 2. Using the loaded object. The most powerful aspect of unpickling is that the loaded variable is a fully functional Python object, complete with its original methods and data structure. Because our saved object was a dictionary, we can immediately access its keys and use Python functions like max parenthesis on its values, just as if we had defined the dictionary within the current script. 3. The security warning. While powerful, pickling comes with a major security risk. The pickle protocol is designed to execute arbitrary code during deserialization. Therefore, you must never unpickle data received from an untrusted source, as it could lead to remote code execution. Only load data that your own application has securely saved. To summarize, pickling and unpickling provide a seamless way to save and restore complex Python objects. We've learned the basics of text and binary I/O. Our next lecture 23.08. More about red. See you there.